In today's video, I'll show you how to use your Android phone as a speaker for your PC on Windows 10 or 11. Let's get into the method. We need to use a free app for this on both our phone and PC, and I'll include the full setup for both wireless and wired connections. So first head to the Play Store on your Android device and search for Audio Relay. This is the app we're going to use, so tap on Install. You might see a message about it still being developed. Once downloaded, open it and tap on Get Started, and this will open the app's main page. There are some premium features on this app, so you could check this if you are limited with the free version, but it will still work. You can switch your attention to your PC now and head to Google and search for Audio Relay and open this link. I'll also include this in the description. Click on the blue Download button and then look for the Desktop section and make sure Windows is chosen. Select Download again and then save this to a place you know. Your Downloads folder is fine. Save it here and then double-click on it from File Explorer once downloaded to open it. Next, you might need to click on Yes on the User Account control screen, and now the install window should open. Choose your language and click on OK. Then click Next unless you want to change the location for the software, but the default should be fine. If you only plan to use your phone as a speaker, you can uncheck the mic driver box here, but it's fine to leave this on. You will most likely need to keep the firewall rules box checked, as this will prevent any problems relating to it, and it's your choice if you want a desktop shortcut. Click Next, and then Install. Allow this to complete. Leave this box checked, and then click on Finish, and the software should now load. Within the software, make sure you're in the Server tab on the left. If you already have an audio device that you want to effectively duplicate the sound from, then you can select it here on the right. However, if you want to treat the phone speaker as a separate sound device, choose the virtual audio device here. We'll do this if you want to follow along. We'll now check the virtual sound device has been installed correctly. In the Windows search bar, type in Change System Sounds and open this settings page. Then head to the Playback tab. Look for the Audio Relay virtual sound device here. Make sure it is enabled, and you can set it as the default device by right-clicking on it and by choosing the relevant option. It should have the green checkmark on it. This can also be done in the main sound settings page in the Output section by choosing this audio device from the drop-down menu or by checking the box to the left of it. Move back to your Android device now and open the app up again if you closed it. Within the app, head to the Player tab if you're not on this already. Find the Servers section and tap on your PC name here. You might want to make a note of this number to differentiate it later from the USB connection if you set that up. If you're asked to allow notifications, this is up to you, it should still work without. This should create the link, and now your device is ready to play sound from the PC. If you don't see any servers, check that both your PC and phone are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, and try restarting your PC and the app. Once connected, you can test out the sound by playing something on your PC. Make sure your Android device is not set to Do Not Disturb or Silent mode, and turn up the volume. The volume can also be controlled in the PC app. You should see that the phone is playing audio from the app and therefore PC in the notifications panel or in the audio panel on your phone. If this didn't work, I'd recommend checking that everything was set up correctly and then retry the connections again. You can stop the connection at any time by tapping or clicking the stop option near the timer for the connection. The free version may limit the time each connection lasts, such as 1 hour, so you may need to restart it manually after this time. I'll now show you how to use the app with a USB connection for better latency and quality. First, connect your phone to your PC using a USB cable. Now head to the Settings tab in the mobile app and scroll down. Ensure that the USB tethering option is turned on here. Now move back to the Player tab at the top and scroll down to the USB tethering section. Tap on the Settings button here. This will open your phone's USB tethering page, and you need to turn on the toggle switch here next to where it says USB tethering. Now head back to the app and wait a few seconds. In the Servers section of the Player tab, there should now be a second server to connect to. This will be the different number from the first time we connected, as this is the USB connection. Tap on this server to connect, and you can test out the sound again now. That's how to use your Android phone as a speaker for your PC in Windows 10 or 11. If you found the video helpful, remember to leave a like, and feel free to subscribe for more. Check out the videos coming up right now, you might find these helpful too.